What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's up, family? So for this Ddins mashed potatoes, you're going to need mashed potatoes, of course, butter, cream cheese, sour cream, evaporated milk, salt and pepper to taste, egg yolks. Get creative. Add whatever ingredients you would to your baked potato. Remember, your kitchen is your laboratory, and cooking is a science. Now let's get to creating, family. First things first, we are going to prep our most tedious work first. So we're going to peel our potatoes. They call me the professional potato peeler. Alright, so we're getting to the end of our potato peeling. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to cut our potatoes into half circles. You can cut them up in small squares, whatever you like. I like to switch it up sometimes, just to break the monotony. Okay, quick facts.
Mashed potatoes healthy for you. Vitamin C. One potato contains more vitamin C than one medium tomato or sweet potato. Vitamin C supports the immune system, helps collagen production and iron absorption. Fiber, potassium. Potatoes are a source of vitamin B6, low in sodium, and fat-free.
Pretty cool. So now we're going to put our potatoes on the stove and we're going to bring them to a boil like this. They're going to boil for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right. And this is the consistency that you're looking for. And I like to grab another one just to make sure. Okay, let's go ahead and drain our potatoes. Look at that steam. And we're going to shake the excess water off of our potatoes. Excess water. Okay, we're going to put in our potatoes, our stick and a half of butter, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a half a can of evaporated milk, our pepper, and a couple dashes of our Himalayan pink. Let's go ahead and mash it up. Alright, now I like to add in my yolks at this time. Depending on how thick you want them to be or how firm you want your potatoes, you can add more egg yolk, just the yolk. Go ahead and mash that up. And let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Look how fluffy that looks. We're gonna go ahead and garnish it with some sour cream. Sprinkle some chives on it. Like I said, get creative, you guys. Let's take a bite. Ow! Thank you guys for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit the notification bell on your bottom right. Share this video with all your friends. The video to my right is my most previous video, and the video to the left is what YouTube think you should watch next. Until next time, family, peace.